Okay, so I tried to using the email for this student. The student is suspended, and look at this in the for the Valentino Santella. Or before in the formation, I was ready to setting the certification completed in here and add the tax share bilan. Assumption. And I fill the text at this well. Then after that, try to go to the continue button, and in here I already to the copy paste the email student suspended and ask for transfer. Okay, okay, get this. I using the French word. I copy paste. Yes, I click confirm, but there is nothing should alert anything. Okay, I think try to again. I'll try to again. Confirm, and there is no should alert Bravo or there should alert anything in here. I change the location to English. Copy paste. As for transfer. Confirm. Yes. There is no should alert anything. So yeah, I already using the email of the student that have status suspended. Okay, but I think I cannot do the next step. Okay, yes. No. Okay. I think I cannot do the next step, and yes, for this I'm not redirecting to the student card, and I cannot complete it. I cannot to the next step. There is no anything when I using the email student suspended.